Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 3 English textbook, workbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from unit 4. I am a Pakistani. Our today's topic is articles. SLOs of this lesson are: know about articles and choose between a and an. First, let's discuss the articles. I hope you are familiar with the use of articles. Let's see what we have here. Articles are a, an, and the. A is an indefinite article. A is used when the next word begins with a consonant sound like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, etc. The correct use of a, the indefinite article, is that a book, a table, a clock, which indicates to one singular noun. This will be incorrect. An book, an table, an clock. The second is an indefinite article. An is used when the next word begins with a vowel sound. Vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. Yes, we will use an here like this. An apple, an elephant, an umbrella, because these words here starting with the vowel sound. A apple, a elephant, a umbrella is incorrect. The third one is the definite article. We use the, something that is unique or there is only one, like the sun, the moon, the internet. Second time you talk about the same noun. I bought a shirt, the shirt is red. First you have mentioned the shirt here, that you have bought a shirt. So you are talking again about the same shirt. So we have to put the here, the definite article. So now you have a very good idea of articles. Let's do the exercise. Page number 27 of your textbook. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. A. Islamabad is capital city of Pakistan. Here the Pakistan is proper noun, specific or unique noun here. So we cannot say Islamabad is a capital city of Pakistan. Yes, Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. B. My mother gave me umbrella. Yes, we have discussed this. The vowel sound here and umbrella. See here, he is brave hero of our country. Brave hero, the word is starting with the consonant sound. He is a brave hero of our country. D here, a soldier's life is what? Example of patriotism. Here the example is starting with the vowel sound. So life is an example. And here, the E here, Quaid-e-Azam is founder of Pakistan. Here the Pakistan is also unique noun and the Quaid-e-Azam is also specific and proper noun here. So we will use the here. Good. This is your class task from workbook, page number 19. Choose the correct option and show your teacher if it is right or wrong. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam life is example for us. Yes, we have discussed this. The example word is starting with the vowel sound here. So the N is the correct option here. Number 2. Quaid-e-Azam is founder of Pakistan. Yes, we have done it before in your textbook exercise. Quaid-e-Azam is the unique noun here and the Pakistan is also, so the here is the correct option. The third one, how many provinces are there in Pakistan? 4, 5 or 6? Yes, we have 4 provinces. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab, Balochistan and Sindh. 4 we have. The fourth one, there is book on the table. Is here indicates that the book is only one, the singular here. and it's not specific, it's not unique, and it's also not starting with the vowel sound, so it will be there is a book on the table. The fifth one, Liaquat Ali Khan was first Prime Minister of Pakistan. Liaquat Ali Khan is the unique noun here, the specific or proper noun, and Prime Minister of Pakistan is the unique title here. So the correct option is yes, the. This is your homework from summer pack. Choose the correct option and write few lines about this option. Which of the following is an article? You have to choose one and give your reason to. Identify group of articles from the following. You have to choose the group of articles which we have discussed earlier in the lesson. The third and the fourth one too on page number 28. We also have an activity here. Get the list of the words that start with a, an or the and write under each heading. इस एक्टिविटी के लिए हमेशा याद रखें कि अस जब लगाएंगे जब नेक्स्ट वर्ड जो होगा आपका कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से शुरू होगा, एंड हम उन वर्ड से पहले लगाएंगे जो वोवल साउंड से शुरू होंगे, और द हमेशा यूनिक या प्रॉपर नाउन के लिए से पहले यूज होगा. डियर स्टूडेंट, आई होप कि आपको यह लेसन पसंद आया होगा. इस लेसन से रिगार्डिंग कोई भी कंफ्यूजन हो आप इसको रीवॉच कर सकते हैं और अपना होमवर्क सही तरीके से कर सकते हैं. ये आपका होमवर्क है फ्रॉम टेक्स्ट बुक. आपने क्या करना है, इसको रीड करना है. ये पोएम है आई एम ए पाकिस्तानी, आपकी यूनिट 4 से, पेज नंबर 25. जितने भी आर्टिकल्स हमने डिस्कस किए हैं, इंडेफिनेट और डेफिनेट आर्टिकल, आपने इसमें से जितने भी आर्टिकल्स हैं आपने उसको अंडरलाइन करना है. जैसे कि एक हेयर, एक इधर है आई सी अ प्रिटी फ्लैग. आग क्या है आपका आर्टिकल है. इसी तरह अपने बाकी आर्टिकल्स भी इसमें अंडरलाइन करने हैं. टिल नेक्स्ट लेसन, अल्लाह हाफिज.